I'm gonna remove the things from the cabin that I don't want any paint on. So I'm gonna take the seat out once again, and for that I need some wrenches. Okay, no, this is perfect. Opa, industrial. This is going to be the heater for the cab, and it won't fit under the seat as whole, so I'm gonna have to disassemble this and place the heater core under the seat and the tank beside the seat, so, or something like that. So it also has a remote control, so I can start the heater from a distance. A good feature to have. One of the studs came out. Okay. I'm going to use the bottom plate without the front and the back. I think I can just bend these off. Yeah, just like that. It would be really high with this. It does fit. I wanna see how's the battery over here. gonna trim a little bit off these where the cab is at an angle. So I nibbled the ends off and now it fits much further down and clearing the battery. I marked out the spots where the bolts will go and where the exhaust will go through the floor. Okay, 2 done, 2 to go. Reinstalling the heater onto this base. And I got some fuel line. 4mm fuel hose that will just be perfect for here. Exhaust, the burner intake, the fuel, all connected, and this is the filter for the air intake. And let's try to get this nice. And this is what it looks like with the battery, nice and compact.